Welcome back to a brand new video. We are out here with Kevin from Fix Kicks, the best sneaker store in the Bay Area, and we're out here at Sneakercon 2022, about to end the year off with a banger event today. Honestly, I was like, yo, what do I film today? I saw Kevin, I'm cool with Kevin, so I'm like, okay, let me just do a day in the life of a sneaker store owner that's buying at Sneakercon, because I'm not spending money, but he's spending money today. So let's see what he buys.
How about 640 on both of those?
640 for both. So
320 a piece? Yeah.
I know I can do 320 on the 12, the size 12. The 11, I bought it. I just wouldn't make enough on that. But I can do 320 on the 12.
That's cool. I'll take the 12.
You want a bag?
It's all good, bro.
Okay.
You see what else you got here.
Cool. Right, bro. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Wait, Kevin, I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of the people here, they want to sell for, usually it's over StockX price, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So then when you're buying, what are you referencing when you offer them, right? Like, let's say a shoe is 300 on StockX, right?
Yeah.
So like, what do you use to reference that? Like,
typically I would look at sales, because you could list a shoe on StockX for anything, especially if there's nothing on the market. I mean, obviously if you like looking at like a black and white dunk, there's hell oversaturated, so that's kind of where the market's at. But I look at sales typically on stuff. But a lot of times I'm willing to pay lowest ask if it's something hot. Let's say like a military Black 4.
yeah.
I'll pay that because holidays are coming. So if I get that, I might as well pay that here instead of buying it on StockX or Go or something, because you have to pay fees and all that. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So, but it just depends. And then there's certain stuff where like I don't care what the lowest ask says. I'm gonna go on sales because it could be 2,000 and last sale was $100.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like, so
it depends. It depends.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
But a lot of the people here, I noticed that they don't want to budge on the price.
They don't. Yeah.
Unless you get hella
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so that's I usually try getting a lot, but a lot of the tables only have like a couple of things I want, because like honestly I'm over all these dunks and stuff. You see that on every table. Like I'm trying to get more stuff that we don't really have, you know. So and honestly, if you look around, there's nothing old. It's all new stuff, you know. So it's definitely tougher nowadays for sure.
I was just curious. I don't know. Like, I try buying shoes, but I buy used. I buy used shoes. I don't buy new shoes. So to hear his perspective on it is definitely interesting. So yeah. But we're checking out this spot over here. They have hella Yeezy slides. They got dunks. This setup is crazy. This probably took hella long. Cause like normal people, we get like, you know, we get tables, but this guy has racks. Look at that, racks.
Look at this. Let's see.
Okay.
Size 9. Oh man.
And do you guys have all the SF pairs or?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeezy 2.
Do you know how many you guys have?
But yeah, we'll move these out the way. You can check out that first size one.
Attention all vendors, time is winding down, guys. Still got a few minutes left. Utilize those few minutes to move your vehicles. We need to open up on time, guys. We will not open up on time. We need to move any vehicles that is left behind. If not, it's getting towed by the convention center management.
Is the price the same for all of them?
Yeah.
What do you?
It just depends. Well, actually, 8 through 10, I believe, is 240.
Okay.
10 and a half and up is 275. But it's kind of higher. But I'm just kind of taking the gamble on them.
What would you sell it at the store?
Honestly, if I just make like $50 extra on a pair, I'm cool with it. Okay. You know what I mean? And we're from the Bay, so I gotta get that stuff. It only makes sense.
Let's take a look at these. So if y'all don't know about these, if you cut the leather away, there's another panel here, and you'll be able to see. Oh wow! Look at the details. I've never seen these in person, so I'm seeing. Look at all these details. Whoa!
So you got 2 8.
This is a Bay classic right here. These are clean.
So that's one run there. Then you got an extra 8 right here.
Yeah.
You have bulk turtle doves as well?
Yeah, I got a 7, 10, 11, 12.
What are you asking on those?
Probably like minus 15.
You have a size 10 in these?
I got 9.5, 10.5.
Oh, okay, for sure. Thank you.
No worries. Got the green apples though, and the white soul sides with 10s.
I'm sorry, you said pretty much, you said lowest S minus 15?
Yeah.
Okay. And you had a 7?
7, 10, 11, 12. I can work a little bit, but you know, just if you have an offer.
Okay.
I'm not like too crazy for mono.
Can you do, I guess, 275, 5 on the other ones, and then 475 on the 12?
If you could do 3,
Yeah.
the rest are fine.
Let's do that then. Yep. We gotta do this before the doors open up, you know what I'm saying?
So you're getting all of these right here?
All that.
What, and this?
That's all Huffs still too. So I got 2 size runs of Huffs.
Okay.
Off the strength of the Bay. Don't let me down.
I'll buy one to support.
Yep, bet.
And then he's picking up these as well. Okay.
What else was that?
There's a lot of shoes right here.
These do pretty good whenever we get them too, but I don't know.
I got a 8 through 10.5.
What are you asking on these? Maybe I'll hold up on that one. All right, so where are we at on that?
So I'm gonna add up the tally
Okay.
for these, and then you can check these out.
Cool.
This is my first time making a video like this, so hey, if you guys enjoy this, let me know in the comment section down below. I watch people make these videos, but I never like been up close and personal like this, so it's cool for me, bro. I'm just enjoying the experience. I got front row seats to this. Kevin's cashing out today.
So we got the grand total, 67.25. Copping all that.
Damn.
Let's
How
go.
many pairs is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18, 21, 22 pairs. 67.25. Doesn't sound very good, but fuck it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so basically Kevin just dropped like almost 7K on those shoes right there.
Whoa.
We're gonna need another cart. Okay, now we gotta drop this off at our booth, cause dude, this is a full cart right here. Crazy. Damn. How do you feel right now?
It's good.
Good.
How you been?
It's good, bro. How
Oh,
about
whoa,
you?
Chase.
What's up, bro?
What's Gucci?
It's like up on
God.
you.
Oh my goodness.
What's good? How you doing?
What's up?
What's up with you?
I was like, those pig crews are fake.
Oh, shit.
You'll hear it in your video.
What's up with y'all?
Just buying.
Buying shit? Yeah. Tough.
Oh, yeah?
Why are you so tall? Hey, let me get this.
No, bro.
Look
We're
at
the
this.
Same. The same height.
Oh, whoa.
I was just.
Dude.
I was just.
There's people around.
You smell good, bro. You smell good. That was all.
Oh, whoa, look at this. What is this contraption here?
It's a Nintendo DS, but you can record to like 500 and terabyte gig hard drives. Then you just plug it in your computer.
What? This is new to me.
165 Lightning 4s, 40 on the market.
Okay, so far we've seen a lot of Yeezy slides, a lot of Dunks, a lot of Jordan 1s. I don't know what Kevin's looking for though. I think he's looking for anything that he could flip in the store. And man, dude, this lighting kind of crazy. I look kind of oily in here. I swear I'm not. I swear.
Look, like majority of tables, Dunkaroos.
I'm talking about knocked out cold.
We got some hats over here. This is a pair I'm looking for right here. Unfortunately, this one's a 10.5. I need a 9.5 for Air Forces. Those are clean. Okay, checking out Hutch the Plugs table. Look, this man got all the fire. Red Octobers, DS size 10. Going for a car. Dude, I sold my pair for 3K. Oh my goodness. Look, got all the fire here. That's crazy. Bro, this right here is like all the heat. Okay, new pickups. I don't even know what these are called. What are these called?
I don't even know.
We don't even know. Neck fades. Okay, we got 3 pairs of those. Let's see. Got more donkeys.
Oh, it's an artist.
Neck face is an artist.
700.
700. Damn. But that's still a lot of money back in the day.
Like 4 years ago though. Now it's like 3 grand.
Look at this
I wore it like
beautiful
twice.
shoe.
I remember there's a dip in the market where
3K now for some Tiffany dunks.
right before everything came back. Yeah,
I
tips
would've
were
bought
like
a shit ton of these.
These are beautiful.
I sold it like
150
or something.
Look,
Now
all
they're
the
like 6.
nice era SBs right there, dude. Supremes.
You get the top shelf stuff, dude? You see top shelf? Are you set up today too?
No, I'm
Just buying?
Dude, what's the story with this? What's going on here?
This is trans shoe formers. So he takes up old shoes, chops it up, and makes it into a piece of art. And the head moves too. The fingers move.
What?
The arms could bend. Yeah.
This is crazy. What the hell?
He also goes by like sneakers, arts, and crafts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that a personal pickup?
Okay.
How sweet. Did Kevin buy that for you?
He did.
You're such a sweet guy, dude.
You know, you gotta do a little, some personal while you're here. You know, it's not all business.
Support the businesses.
You got to.
This is why you gotta shop thefixkicks.com. Support good people.
Small businesses.
What's going on, Kevin?
I might want this. Let's see.
Is that a personal? Is the kid coming soon?
No. Would you guys do 380 on this?
Size, so like the front rows, like the top
That's
rows,
his. He probably would do
goes
that.
like 4, 4.5, 5, 6.
That's 20 less than
Lowest ass.
So lowest ask for these.
Yep.
Run it.
Okay, I'll take that.
380.
There you go. Win the game.
Where's his business card?
Mr. Kevin is getting those Travises from Keeping It Kicks. So shout out to them.
For the kid or for just
Yeah, for the split, yeah.
Cool. Appreciate you,
There you
bro.
go.
Appreciate it.
See what Kevin got. He got the Travises. Travises for Kevin. And what's this? Oh, Off-Whites.
Okay, so it just turned 12, which means that they're gonna start letting people in. So I'm walking back to the booth right now before everything gets all crazy. Gotta man this booth. I'm gonna be working for a little bit, and then I'll pick up the camera whenever we got a little bit of dead time. So, yo.
All right, this is the whole entire table setup right here. We got beanies, watch bands, keychains, phone cases, card holders, more keychains, more bust down goodies. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then David got his laces, which you can find on the Hypebeast R Us.
Actually, I haven't even listed them on there yet. So if you're here at SneakerCon, you're getting first dibs to what's coming to the website. But this is great. It feels good to be back at SneakerCon. And no, it feels great to be back vlogging at SneakerCon, dude. Good job. I'm proud of you.
All right, thank you. Thanks. We also have Croc Charms over here. Croc Charms, and Mama Croc, and Baby Crocs. Where's Papa Crocs?
Did you just assume her gender? You didn't even ask for her pronouns.
How much do they want? 180? Could you negotiate down? 165. 10. Okay, so Kevin just picked up a pair of purple skeletons, the ones that I was looking for, size 9.5, and he offered 165, and the guy took it. So we got a brand new pair for 165. I don't know what they're going for right now, but I'm pretty sure that's like around market price, maybe a little bit less. So that's good. Nothing too crazy. I've been selling a decent amount of stuff here, so I want to say thank you to everybody that has been showing love. I really appreciate it. I also want to give a huge shout out to Mr. Daniel Liu. Check out the new Warriors hat. I'll have his website linked down below in the description. And he also gave Mr. David Got Kicks a hat as well.
Dude, I have not even taken it off since I got it.
Same, me too.
Like, it's actually really comfortable.
These are super nice. I'm also gonna be supplying his hats on my website very, very soon. So we just got some things to work out. And we also have a collab coming soon for some nice hats. So be on the lookout for that. I also wanna give a huge shout out to Spectrum Kicks for coming through and giving David and I some free Hot Wheels, man. It's super cool meeting you guys. So thank you, man. I really do appreciate it. David, what car did you get? You got the NSX?
NSX.
Okay, and Kevin arrived with the goodies. Oh, they're wrapped too? Okay. Purple Skeleton Air Forces for 165. Wow, he wanted 200? And he took 165. Shout out to Kevin, master negotiator. These are straight personals, but hey man, I wasn't even planning on getting any shoes, but today has been going well, so we're adding these to the collection. Now I have the full skeleton collection. Oh yeah. Where'd this come from? Sneaker. Oh, it's a SneakerCon. Who did this? The Covenant. Shout out to the Central Coast Shoe Plug. Appreciate you, bro.